Have you ever received a bunch of PDF files and needed to send them as a single document? Maybe it's a work report split across 5 attachments, a school project, or a stack of scanned pages that all belong together. Opening and sending every file separately is slow, and it looks messy on the other end. The good news is that combining PDFs takes about a minute once you know where to click. In this video, I'll show you how to combine PDF files into one PDF, and just as important, what to do if one of your PDFs is damaged and it won't open at all. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Let's go. Before we start, let's quickly talk about why combining PDFs is worth doing. When you have several related files, putting them into one PDF makes sharing much easier. Everything stays in the right order, nothing gets lost in an email thread, and the person receiving it only has to open one file instead of 6. It also keeps your own folders clean, so you're not hunting for page 3 of a report 6 months from now. The first method is using an online PDF merger. This is usually the fastest option if you only need to combine a few files and those documents don't contain anything sensitive. There's nothing to install, it works on any computer, and most of these tools are free now for basic merging. Let me show you how it actually works. Start by opening the online PDF merger in your browser. Step 1. Upload the PDF files you want to combine. You can usually drag them straight in or click the upload button and select them from your folder. Step 2. Arrange the files in the correct order. This is the step people skip, and it's the one that matters the most. Your files will merge in the order they appear on screen, so drag them into the sequence you actually want before you go any further. Step 3. Once everything looks right, click the merge button and give it a few seconds to process. Step 4. Download your new PDF file. Open it once to confirm the page order is correct, and that's it. All of your documents are in one clean file. Online tools are convenient, but they aren't always the right choice. If your PDF contains private information, contracts, medical records, financial statements, anything with personal details, you're uploading that file to someone else's server. In those cases, you may prefer to keep the files on your own computer. And there's a second limitation. If the PDF itself is damaged, a normal PDF merger usually can't open it at all, so the merge will just simply fail. That brings us to a problem that a lot of people run into. Sometimes the issue isn't combining your PDFs at all. The real problem is that the PDF is already corrupted. You'll usually spot this in one of a few ways. The file refuses to open, you get an error message saying the file is damaged, or in an unsupported format, the pages load completely blank, or the file worked fine before and only broke after downloading it, emailing it, or transferring it from another device. If that's happening to you, no merger tool is going to fix that. The file needs to be repaired first. If you have a damaged PDF, one tool you can try is 4DDIG File Repair. It's a desktop program built specifically for repairing corrupted documents, including damaged PDF files, so you can try opening and using them again. Because it runs on your own computer, your files never get uploaded anywhere, which matters if the documents are confidential. Let's walk through what the process actually looks like. The process is very straightforward. Step 1. Open the 4DDIG File Repair. Step 2. Select the document repair feature. Step 3. Add your corrupted PDF file. You can drag it in or browse to it. Step 4. Start the repair and let the program work through the file. Step 5. And this is the part I like. Preview the repaired result before you save anything. You can actually see whether the pages come back correctly instead of just guessing. Step 6. If it looks good, save the repaired PDF. One important detail, the original file is not overwritten. The repaired version saves separately, so your original document stays exactly where it was, nothing to lose by trying, right? Another useful thing here is that it isn't limited to PDFs. The same tool can repair other corrupted files too, like Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, images, and even videos. It supports more than 3,000 corrupted file types and formats, so if you've got a damaged file sitting in a folder that you gave up on months ago, it's worth pointing this at it. And if you're dealing with more than one damaged file, batch repair saves a lot of time. Instead of fixing them all one at a time, you select several files together and process them in a single run. Depending on the condition and the size of the files, many repairs finish within seconds. Results will vary with how badly a file was damaged, but it's a much faster starting point. Once your PDF is repaired and you've confirmed that it opens correctly, you can go right back to what you were originally trying to do, combining your files into one organized document. Same process as before: upload, arrange the order, merge, and then download. The difference is that now every file in that merge actually opens. So you end up with one complete document instead of a merge that fails halfway through. So just a quick recap. If you just need to combine PDF files, an online PDF merger will usually solve it in under a minute. Upload, arrange, merge, and download. If your documents are private, keep the work on your own computer instead. And if PDFs won't open because it's damaged, repair it first and then merge. Otherwise, you'll keep hitting the same wall. Check the links below for more information on everything I covered, and if this helped, subscribe for more tips like this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.